Think you can only have funnel cake once a year at the state fair? Think again. You can eat this every damn day. So this one is super simple, way simpler than you could imagine. 4 ingredients and a pan of hot oil. Just add water pancake mix. A little vanilla, a little sugar, a little water, whisk, 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 fry, 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 eat, eat, eat. 1 cup of pancake mix, tablespoon of sugar, a bit of vanilla, and about half a cup of water. You want to whisk it together, get the lumpy lumps out. Everyone loves funnel cake. If someone shows up to your house, like their mind is going to be blown because you do not expect funnel cake outside of the state fairgrounds. Mix, 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 get rid of the lumps, and you kind of want it to fall off of your whisk like little drippy, delicious ribbons. Just like so. Now you want to fill up your bottle. This is what you're going to use to fry. If you don't have a squeeze bottle, you can use a plastic bag. Trim off the edge about 1/4 inch. It's a little trickier, but you know, deep fried anything tastes good. You can't even imagine the things I've eaten at a state fair. Like deep fried Snickers, deep fried PB&J, deep fried Oreos, deep fried Pop-Tarts, deep fried Twinkies. Just fill up your squeeze bottle with the goopy good stuff. And she's making a mess. What's new? Look at that, I just like scrape it away, now you can see me. Hello. Top it up, get a plate lined with paper towel, keep that on the ready, because this is gonna come out fast and furiously out of the oil. You wanna have a pot of oil heated to about 360 degrees, fill it about halfway, put a little dollop of your mixture in there just to see if the oil's the right temperature. You want it to bubble? That's perfect. You just want it to bubble up to the surface and have little bubbles around it. So we're gonna make our funnel cake, and really use your imagination, but I'm gonna start in the center and just start swirling around in like a 1/2 foot disc. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. All right? Come on in and flip, be very careful. You just kind of want it to be golden brown. Funnel cake was such a treat for your entire life, and now it's just breakfast, or dinner, or lunch, or anything in between. You want to give it like 1 minute to 2 minutes on each side. Okay, so this is a good color. It's like a dark golden brown. Just grab that puppy, drip, drip, drip. Let it rest on a paper towel lined plate for just a bit. It's not funnel cake without a bit of powdered sugar. Did I say a bit? I meant a ton. Oh man. Oh my God, that is a real deal. Damn, has it been this simple all along? Have I been depriving myself of this magnificent sugary treat all these years when all the ingredients were already in my cupboard? Oh man. 4 ingredients have never been so fun. Oh,